Hi everyone, in this video I will show you two ways to send multiple photo on WhatsApp. Here's the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Method 1. Send photos directly from your gallery. First, open your phone's Gallery or Photos app. Now select all the pictures you want to share. Once your photos are selected, tap the Share button. From the list of apps, choose WhatsApp. Then select the person or group where you want to send the photos. Finally, tap Send, and all your photos will be shared together instantly. Method 2. Sending photos from inside WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat or group you want. Tap the attachment or plus icon near the message box. Choose Gallery or Photos. Now select multiple images from your phone. After selecting them, tap the Send button. That's it. All your selected photos will be delivered at once without sending them one by one. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.